To assemble your new Craftsman 20-volt string trimmer, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Installing this handle is really simple. You don't need any fasteners. It simply slips on. It has a ratchet mechanism on this side, and that's going to go on the side here that has this corresponding ratchet mechanism. So we're going to push both these in, and then we're going to bring in the handle, making sure that the ratchet mechanism is on the same side. Bring it over. It's going to snap on. To change the position of this, just press down this side and it'll move like this. So when you're not using it, you can store it flat, and then when you're using it, you can open it up like this. Just make sure you press down both sides when you're going to be putting this handle on, or you won't be able to get it on properly. Now that the handle is on, we can look at the string trimmer end. Now this piece here is designed for when you're edging, because this is a string trimmer and edger. Because we're not using it as an edger, you can lift this up into this position here, so stored back here, and then when you're edging, you can bring it forward like this. This is where you need your Phillips head screwdriver, because we're going to drive the screw in here into the string trimmer once we install this guard. Installing this guard can be a little bit tricky because sometimes they're a little bit tight to push on. But the first thing you need to do is remove this screw, then we're going to line up this piece round here with this slot here, and we're going to push it all the way on until this clip here is right here. So line it up. And what you'll notice is these little pieces here will go on top, and there's a little groove here that they will slide on. So line it in there, and then push. You see we're almost there. You're going to hear an audible click when this clicks into place, like that. With that properly secured, we can then put our screw in here, which will go right through into the guard that it was in before we removed it. To change the length of the string trimmer, there's this little handle here. Now you're going to turn this to the left, so anti-clockwise, and then you can bring in the string trimmer, making it really short, or you can pull it out, making it longer. Just make sure to turn this and tighten this so that it's secured back in place. Now to use this string trimmer as an edger, we're going to pull this collar down and then twist the handle to the right. So it'll go all the way around. And now you can use this string trimmer as an edger. We can fold this bracket down here, and that's going to make sure that we don't dig too much of a hole when we're edging. Fold this back up, and to use this as a string trimmer again, pull this down and then twist the handle all the way around again. We can slot our 2 ampere-hour battery into the back here. And then this string trimmer has a 2-speed setting, so you've got low speed and then you've got a high speed setting. And then to fire up string trimmer, push this safety in. There's one on this side and there's one on the other side. So you can use it with left or right handed. So push this in and pull the trigger. Then release it to stop it. And that's how to assemble this Craftsman 20-volt string trimmer.